Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Nugent. I'm going to be your child's teacher for Explorations in STEAM. Explorations in STEAM is an elective course that we offer here at William Floyd Middle School, where we get to kind of dabble in a lot of different areas. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And that gives us the freedom and flexibility to sort of delve into some areas that we wouldn't necessarily get to in a course like living environment. If you need to get in contact with me ever and always, please do so through the Canvas app. That is the number one thing for me. I get push notifications to my phone from the Canvas app, so I can get back to you relatively quickly. I do highly recommend, if you haven't done so already, that you download the Canvas Parent app. The Canvas Parent app is available in the App Store, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's a blue icon for Canvas instead of the children's one that is red. That will give you the permission to be an observer in your child's class, and then you'll get the same notifications that they do when things have been graded, when things are due, and when things get assigned. I also have a Google Voice number. It works very much like I like collect calling from days of old, where you dial the number. It's listed on my Canvas site, and they'll ask you for your name. You just tell them, the name of the caller, and then it'll come to me. You can also text message that Google Voice number, and that again will come straight through to my phone. This is a graded class. We are here to have fun and sort of enjoy just a little bit, but we are looking at having a grading policy that mirrors that of the rest of the science department. We are focused on 50% for class participation. That's classwork, homework, any discussions that are being run, teacher contact with me. So if I know that something's not working for you properly, particularly in that virtual piece, that I can, that I can either find a way around that for you, or we can work together to find some form of solution. I know not everything is going to work all the time. Effort and preparedness, when they are here with me in person, if your child is on the hybrid model, that they are, working at their best. And so far, if I can take a second to be honest, the children who I have in Explorations to STEAM have been absolutely fabulous. So thank you for sharing them with me this year. Assessments, by the way, you guys who are home and virtual, you've been doing a really fabulous job too. I just haven't gotten to meet you face to face yet. Hopefully soon. Assessments, we're going to be project based in here. So whereas the rest of the science department would kind of fill in tests there, we're project based for the most part. Labs and quizzes, apologies, hit the thing. And I can't get back. Quizzes every once in a while, not a big deal, and labs, which we've already done too. So we are moving right along with that. I will lock work after 5 days outside the late window. If there is extenuating circumstances, and I know there is a multitude of things that could possibly go horribly awry, please let me know and we'll make adjustments that we need, okay? We're gonna work together to make this a great year. I have 3 little guys of my own, 2 of whom did virtual learning and are doing virtual learning, and I know that it can be incredibly stressful. So for something particularly like an elective course, if you're finding that this is stressful and not enjoyable and what have you, please reach out and let me know so that we can make adjustments accordingly. Okay? I look forward to meeting you in person, hopefully one day. And if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.